Here's Clark back the other way once again. Clark will launch out, score. Clark. Number 9. To Tina. In the attacking zone, throws one across. Matthews shot. Score. Matthews puts it in the back. And you see it's not in when it's in. Insane. Onside shot. Score. It's number 5. Tyler. Hoskins in front. Shot. Score. It's number 91. Chris Horner. Little guy in front. Shot. Oh, behind the net. In front. Nobody at home. Shot. Knocked down in front. Rebound. Score. It's 4-1 for Chicago. They were peppering. Magnet. Behind the net. Newman. He's played well in front. Shot. Score. Matthews again. What a pass. Shot. Score. Todd. Let's get the champions on the ice. There it is.